So in today's video, you'll learn how to turn off protection mode on the REDnote app. So the first step is to simply just launch the app, and then you want to navigate to your profile. To do that, you want to tap on the Me option in the bottom right corner of your screen. And then to get to settings, after you've reached profile, just tap on this settings icon next to the edit profile option. If you're using an Android phone, then you should just say the words profile. So once you tap on the settings icon, you then want to select privacy settings. And then from here, you should see protection mode at the very top of this menu. So when protection mode is enabled, you will not receive any messages, comments, or sharings from the person you unfollowed in the last 7 days. So in order for you to disable it, just tap on the toggle like this, and then it will be turned off. And now you'll also notice that allow comments from following, allow bullet comments from following, and allow mentions from following are now no longer grayed out, which means that you can now come and enable or disable them to your liking. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.